Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Dia & Co plus size try on haul for you. This is just going to be a couple of pieces that they did send out to me. I kind of gathered them together from my last couple of hauls with them and just wanted to show you a few of their latest pieces. I have some jackets, blazers, and some jeans, and a really cute dress. So I just wanted to share with you these items. If you're not familiar with Dia & Co, they are a plus size website that carries sizes 0x to 5x. They also offer the ability to shop directly on the website or to join their subscription box service. In that subscription box, you can set it up to customize it to fit your style, what types of outfits you like. You kind of go through a little questionnaire at the beginning, and it asks you kind of what your preferences are. And then they kind of match you up with a stylist, and that stylist helps you put together pieces, and they make some recommendations on what they think you might like. So they offer either the option again to shop online or join the subscription service. I've actually done both. Before I started working with them, collaborating with them, I used to shop all the time from Dia & Co, and I used to get the boxes almost every month or every couple of months, and I just love their items. They are some of the best quality in plus size fashion, and the fit has always been amazing with Dia & Co. This is a company that I truly stand by. The sizing has always been really good, and I just love their quality. Their clothing really lasts. They just have excellent clothing. Their customer service is amazing, and I love everything about Dia & Co. If there is one website I recommend for plus size fashion, that Dia & Co is definitely it. So yeah, I have a couple of pieces I wanted to share with you, and as usual, I will link everything in the description box below. If you're on your Android or an iPhone, the description box, you can find it now. Right next to the title, there's a little arrow down button. If you click on that, you will be able to open up the description box if you're watching from your phone. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Nora, and I typically do all things plus size fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. So if any of that interests you, feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you could be notified when I upload new videos. I typically upload once to twice a week. I just really love their brand and everything they stand for. So I just wanted to share with you guys. These are some really cute pieces for winter, kind of like for this season. So yeah, you could mix and match these blazers and jackets with like dresses or with jeans. So they're very versatile. You can use them in a variety of different ways. So that's what I love about them. So let me go ahead and try everything on for you. I'm not going to just lift the items up. I'd rather just show you what it looks like to save us time, and yeah, so I'd rather just do it that way. And again, I'll link everything below. Let me know in the comments below which piece was your favorite, and also if you've ever tried Dia & Co and what you love most about them, or what other brands you would like to see me haul from. So I would love to hear from you. And with my link, you can also get $25 off your first purchase of $50 or $25 off your first subscription box. So make sure to check it out. I will link it below. And yeah, let me go ahead and try these on for you. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so first up is the Amanda Faux Suede jacket in red. I love everything about this jacket. This is more so a blazer, and you could pair this up with like a jeans and t-shirt look like I did here, or you can wear it over a dress and just add a touch of elegance to kind of like any look. It really completes a look. So this particular one, it comes in red, it comes in black, or in tan. I do own the red one and a black one as well. I just love it, and I love how versatile this blazer is. I am wearing a size 4X. And next up, I have the Usella Boyfriend jeans, and these are some destructed jeans. They have a little bit of destruction in the upper thigh area. They fit so nicely. I love how they fit. They fit very comfortably, and I just think they're super cute. And these are a size 24. And next up, we have the same blazer, the Amanda Faux Suede blazer in black. And this particular one, I have it paired with a dress. And the dress is not from Dia & Co. Just the blazer is, but I wanted to show you how versatile this blazer is, that you can pair it with dresses. You can pair this over anything, and you just have such a cute look. I just love these blazers right now. I'm living for them. And next up, if you've been following me since October or before then, you would know I use this jacket. This is a faux leather jacket. It's a kind of like a moto jacket. This one is in black and it comes with zippers, and I just think this is such an edgy moto jacket. I love it. You could pair this with like all black, or you could pair it with jeans. I have it paired with like a floral dress here. The dress is not from Dia & Co, but the jacket is, and I wanted to show you how I like to wear them. And this jacket is, I'm wearing a size 3X. I would say on this particular one, size up a little bit because it does run on the smaller side. And that, last but not least, I have this gorgeous dress. I love this dress. It is in burgundy. I'm living for this color. This dress is a size 3X, and it is very stretchy, very true to size. It has that little mock turtleneck style and a bit of a ruffle hem at the end. I'm living for this dress. This is like the perfect like fall, winter season dress. It's super cozy and it just fits so nicely. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all next time.